This is RH channel 2.0. Welcome to my Primavera tutorial. We are going to create an enterprise project structure. Here in our Primavera window, on the left top portion of our window, on the menu, click Enterprise. On the drop down, click Enterprise Project Structure, and an Enterprise Project Structure dialog box will appear. Add. So we have our root. Let's assign construction on our EPS ID, and on EPS name just the same, so it will not confuse us. Now under the root, you can have a parent enterprise. It can hold a multiple project structure. So let's add. Let's have our ID, building, and our EPS name same. Then it has a sibling, housing, and our name same. So now here in our parent, you can also have a multiple child EPS. Here in building, click add. We will have at least 2 EPS under building. Just click shift up, then indent it to the right, so it will be under the buildings. Let's just say it's high rise. On its EPS ID, on EPS name, high rise building. Let's add. Mid-rise. On EPS name, mid-rise building. That's okay. So let's go to housing. We will also have at least 2 child, so we have a good presentation. Just indent it to the right. This one, let's say high end. On EPS name, high end housing. Let's add another one. We will have our low cost on the EPS ID, and on EPS name is low cost housing. So that is how simple you have to create your enterprise project structure. You can close this. So this EPS can have also a multiple projects under each EPS, and it's can also use for monitoring the budget of all the projects under specific EPS. Let's have an example. In mid-rise, just highlight the mid-rise, and on the right side, click add. A new project dialog box will appear. At this point of time, we will just click finish. If you want to create the new project, just check our video. Click the link. Now we will going to create a OBS, an organization breakdown structure, or synonymous to the responsible manager. The responsible manager can be associated to your EPS. The responsible manager is a user that can update all the projects within your EPS. To create an OBS, just click Enterprise on the menu, and on the drop down, click OBS, and an organizational breakdown structure will appear. So just click Add. Now your responsible manager's name. Let's have Mike. Let's add another one. Let's see Joseph. And you can assign Mike as a user. Let's take user, then assign user 1, add. It's okay, close. So now Mike is a user 1, so you can log in into your Primavera and update the project where he is a responsible manager. Then close. Now we are going to associate the responsible manager to our EPS. So if you want to associate an responsible manager, just highlight the EPS that you want a specific manager to be responsible. So here below, just click the responsible manager, then select Mike, click yes. So now the responsible manager that is associated to your mid-rise EPS is Mike. So if you will check the new project that you have created, the responsible manager will be Mike. So that's it. Hope you learned something, and see you in other videos. Bye.